In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound or audio on your HP laptop or desktop PC. If you can't hear anything from your speakers or headphones, just follow each step carefully. Solution 1. First, open your Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings window. On the left side, click System, then click Sound. At the top, under Output, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected. Also, make sure your volume slider is turned up. Now scroll down to Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems and click Output Devices. Click Yes when it asks for permission to run diagnostics. Let Windows run the test to detect and fix audio issues. Solution 2. Scroll down and click Advanced, then click More Sound Settings. In the new window, go to the Playback tab. Make sure your correct speakers or headphones are enabled. Right-click your device. Click Enable, then right-click any devices you don't use and click Disable. You should only have one device enabled, the one you were using. Now select your main speakers and click Set Default. Then click Apply and OK. Check if your sound works now. Solution 3. Open the Start menu, type Services, and open it. Scroll all the way down until you see Windows Audio. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, and OK. Double-click it again. Make sure Service Status says Running. If it's stopped, click Start, click Apply, and OK again. Finally, right-click Windows Audio and select Restart, then close the window. Solution 4. Update your sound drivers. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your speakers or headphones and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. When that finishes, right-click your speakers again. Click Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let Me Pick from a list. Select Audio Endpoint. Click Next. Now expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your Realtek audio device, or similar. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. Select High Definition Audio Device. Click Next. After the driver installs, test your sound again. Once you've completed all steps, restart your computer and check the audio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.